Hello, Ashley. Thank you for coming to
Hello.
talk about the Fall Plenty Earring ebook and Crochet Along and all of the wonderful things.
Yes,
Yay.
many wonderful things.
Yes. So start out with tell us about yourself.
Hi, I'm Ashley. I live in Minnesota. I'm a mom to two kids. I have a 14-year-old and a 7-year-old, and I've been married for 9 years. I don't know, that number just kind of fades away after a while. And I also have a 1-year-old teddy bear dog.
Yay.
Yeah.
So much fun. How did you get into crochet?
I was living with my grandma while I was going to college, and one day we just started. She knew how previously, so she taught me the basics, and then I did a like kind of like a stitch sampler blanket where they had a ton of YouTube videos, and I learned so much. It's insane how much you can learn just by doing a stitch sampler blanket.
Mhm.
So that really is what super kicked me out to just really fall deep into crochet.
That's awesome. How would you describe your design style?
I really like texture. I like lace work. I'm not a fan of, I guess, basic. Like if it's something just like one stitch can be really unique if
Mhm.
you work it different ways. But if you do the same one stitch for the whole entire thing, it's going to take me 5 years to finish because I'm just going to get so bored. So I don't know. I guess, yeah, I like lacy and definitely texture. Puffs
Mhm.
and bobbles are my jam.
Yes. Yay. What inspires your designs?
Inspiration is just mainly a hint of a thought and many hours of trying.
Mhm.
So I just keep trying. I have like one tiny design element and I just have to make it work. And it just takes like 15, 20 times to get it right. And that's how it happens. Or
Yay.
sometimes I'll see a picture of something else, like a garment that's been woven. I'm like, oh, those stripes are kind of cool. Or, oh, that pillow at Target's kind of neat. I wonder if I could do something like that. But just taking a little snippet from the world and turning it into something else.
Love that. That's so great. Um, Talk about the stitch that we are going to be, or not the stitch, sorry, the technique that
Yes,
we are
the
going to be
technique.
learning
So we
in
have
this earring.
Lorelei. I have lots of Lorelei next to me.
Yay.
So the technique for this is blocking. You really want to block it. So here I have one that's not blocked. She's
Mhm.
pretty, but she's kind of wonky. So if you just give her a little stretch, she
Mhm.
really kind of goes to the proper shape that I wanted her to be in. If you want her to be round, go ahead, make her round, however you feel fit, but I wanted oval. So you
Mhm.
really, these top points, you really block them kind of hard. And then the other ones, you just kind of pin in place where they're supposed to be. And then you get the oval.
Lovely.
So yeah, it's a really quick, easy design, just
Mhm.
3 rounds and just blocking.
Yes. Yay. And I've been telling people for years that blocking your earrings is quite important. Maybe
Yes,
they will listen.
yes,
Really,
yes.
really, you want to block this one.
Yep, yep. Especially with it being more of a lace type of stitch too.
Mhm.
Mhm.
Yeah, awesome. If people love this earring pattern, what other patterns will they love from you?
Well, I have all of my earrings that I've designed except for one do blocking. I mean, it highly recommended. If you choose not to, that's your cup of tea. Mine is I prefer blocking. So we have, these ones are Aurora. And then we have, these are Aubrey. These are my very first earring design because I met Amber and I just could not make earrings.
Yay!
We have Gloriana, and we also have Calliope.
I love them all.
So, and it's like, for me personally, I just love having the structure and the points all pointy, just so, and they last so much longer. I don't need to worry as much about it getting tangled in my hair or crumped up funny or something. They're just there how they're supposed to be.
Yeah. Yes. Fantastic. Thank you, Ashley, for telling us about your design and for being a part of the Crochet Along and the Earring ebook, which you can find links to all over our pages. And it doesn't matter which link you take, they all go to the same place, and we all share profits in the ebook sales. And our designers for the Fall Plenty Earring ebook, I should probably think about these things before, but no, I won't. I will just trip over my words. Natalia Johnson, Ruthie Smith, Priscilla Allen, Ashley Moran, Sarah Korth, and me, Amber Bliss Calderon. That was my best one yet. Yes. Thank you guys, and we will see you in the Crochet Along. Thanks, Ashley.
Yep.